Hello everyone, this is Jagdamba Pearls Gold and Diamond Jewelry, the 85 years old company, pioneer in pearls and designer gold and diamond jewelry. This time bringing you all the precious stone collection, that is Navratna collection in 22 karat gold jewelry with BIS hallmarking. Have a look all the variety, earrings, necklace and all. This is the necklace, little long length. If you see the back side, it's total open setting work with all the precious stones like gomet, sapphires, coral, cat's eye, pearl, ruby, emerald, and again the blue sapphire. Here the blue sapphire, here the yellow sapphire. All the stones are precious. You can add the backside tassel that you can wear it. Matching earrings, studs also available in the variety. Lot of varieties available at our shop. And if you see, this is the necklace short form. This small necklace. You can wear two at a time also. See the designer jewelry. In this case, the shapes are different. See, the coral is triangle shape, the emerald is palm shape, so something different in this. This necklace contains 60 grams gold approximately. The price will be around 3,90,000 approximately. See, the earrings also is there. So contain backside the clip. Which stand on your ear perfectly. See this all short necklace with all the precious stones with 22 karat gold. If you see the back side, it is total open setting. The weight of the gold in this contain approximately 22 to 23 grams, which cost you around 1.5 lakh including all. Will give the buyback of our all the precious stones, that is 80% after use also anytime. And now if you see, this jhumki is containing around 33 grams gold the gross, but the actual net gold is only 27 grams. The cost of the jhumki is approximately 1,75,000. If you see, the earrings is also here. Some people like big studs, and studs are nowadays in fashion. See, this is complete Navratna necklace along with the matching jhumki. This is something big and exclusive piece actually. In this, if you see, the big size uncut diamond in the middle, and all the precious stones with all the full white fine quality uncut diamonds. I will turn the necklace right now so that you can have a look the back side of the necklace. This is total open setting. All these are in 22 karat gold, in which the gold contained net weight is around 80 to 85 grams, and all the precious stones is around 35 carats, and uncut diamond is around 12 to 13 carats. See, the matching jhumki is very beautiful. Here the back side is a clip, so it will perfectly hold your ear. In the jhumki also, it is contain around 50 grams gold. The cost of the necklace is around 6,80,000, and the jhumki is approximately around 3 lakhs. बताते जाओ. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get always the latest updates from Jagdamba Pearls. And for any queries and any orders, please contact on our WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching our video.